Krishnan, any other sort of highlights you want to share with us? We were looking at, of course, NSE and its history and the kind of, landmark or milestone moments we've seen over time in terms of the composition of the main index, in terms of, like you said, the widening of companies that are today listed on the exchange. And, you've touched upon some key important points in terms of developing new products, widening the retail base, and also, of course, some of those, huge new companies that are slated to enter the capital markets. If you had to sort of take away maybe one or two key milestones that you would like to talk about in terms of the NSE's history and trajectory at this point of time?
No, I think NSE has, revolutionized India's stock markets and become a huge, pillar of hope for the entire ecosystem. From the time we came in, we have advocated transparency, efficiency, and trust as the three main features of our approach. And innovation, of course, has been at the bottom of it all as the big foundation based on which NSE was launched in the first place. So I think if you look at it over the past 30 years, what we have brought to the table has been immense in terms of value for the country and for the entire ecosystem. And today, NSE is seen as a huge institution which has a tremendous international reputation, plus, of course, seen as a critical national treasure. So I think, any which way you look at it, we have the foundation all in place. We have the building blocks in place. We can use this platform in a number of ways. For example, for deepening and broadening the bond markets, this can be very, very easy now. If just to give you an example, the number of transactions in the RFQ platform, the request for quote platform, in April 2025 was just about 45,000. But in December, that jumped in just about 9 months to more than 200,000 on NSE. So that tells you that when retail investors are given the variety of products to participate in, and if they are educated well, they will be very, very useful in terms of contribution to capital formation. Also, I think this is a good time for India to focus on investor protection. And when I say investor protection, it's also about making sure good habits are formed. And the process of, gambling on expiry days, which SEBI has been speaking about for the past couple of years, this needs to be definitely reviewed. And therefore, multiple expiry days is probably something that we need to look at. Maybe there's a need for us to go back to the one expiry day concept, which used to be in vogue some years back. It used to be the last Thursday of the month. That was the only expiry day.
I remember.
And even if you have weekly expiries, maybe we should just have one expiry day.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share, and subscribe.